Now, your Storm Alert Team Forecast from meteorologist Brittany Foster.
Well, good Thursday morning, everyone. The sun is not up yet. Of course, if you notice that sunrise time is going to push back even further and further. Now 6:41 this morning. Those days are getting shorter with all that light out there. But we also are seeing, besides the darkness, a little bit of some fog out there, mainly just further off to the east near Falls City, Nebraska City. Visibility there is down to 4 miles, 5 in Wahoo. Everyone else is at a perfect 10, but don't let that fool you, because if you are driving, for example, on I-80, you come across a spot with low elevation, you could have a little bit of fog there. So watch out for that during your morning commute. And also, it is just a tad bit warmer out there this morning compared to the last few mornings around this time. It's 70 degrees right now in Lincoln, Beatrice, Grand Island, 71 in Hebron, 73 in Omaha, with a few upper 60s out there as well. But overall, just a little bit warmer this morning. Looking ahead at the next few hours, eventually all of us will even get by 10 o'clock to those low 80s. So a pretty quick warm up for today. But even though we're already off to a warmer start, our high temperatures are actually not going to be as warm as earlier this week. We are a little bit cooler technically, highs in those upper 80s, but notice how the wind is still out of the south. That means more moisture is coming in. So even though our highs are in the upper 80s, it'll still feel like the mid 90s outside. So I just want to stress that. Still feel pretty hot out there today. And I just posted on social media. Some of you are already getting pretty excited. Fingers crossed we could see a little bit of rain today. It's a very small chance for some isolated showers anytime this afternoon. This is showing about 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I think this model is going a little bit heavy in terms of all those showers, but just bring the umbrella with you to be on the safe side. You might run into hopefully maybe a little bit of a shower or two later today. And we could see more showers and thunderstorms overnight. Tonight looks like most of those staying to the northern half of the area today. 71 degrees for your overnight low, so also warmer for overnight low temperatures. But then that moisture just continues to increase the next several days. Today, 5 o'clock, dew point temperatures are in the 70s. By tomorrow at 5 o'clock, 72, maybe 75 degrees for some of us. Now, I want to point out, notice how we have all this moisture in front right here to the eastern half of Nebraska. Behind it, dry, dew points in the 40s. That's because a cold front will be moving through the area, potentially firing at more thunderstorms for your Friday. So here's a look at overnight tonight. You can see most of that rain and thunderstorms staying up to the north of I-80 in the morning even. Maybe a little bit of some showers that could stretch close to at least maybe the Tri-Cities around tomorrow morning. But 3 o'clock, we start to see it continue to stretch southward, and then a stronger line of storms develop. 8 o'clock, moving right throughout southeast Nebraska, and that chance tomorrow at 8 o'clock is the chance that potentially could be on the strong to severe side. We are in a slight risk for some severe thunderstorms, so that's something we'll continue to watch as we go through eventually your Friday forecast. And after that, looking at the weekend, because why not? It's not going to be as humid, down to the mid 80s for your highs on Saturday, and by Sunday still seeing sunshine, maybe a chance for rain late in the day, highs still in those upper 80s. So overall, a great weekend forecast on the way to spend some time outside. And also we're getting a little bit of rain in the forecast Friday, which we definitely do still need that rain, guys.
Let's get that humidity out of here, Brittany, as soon as possible, please.
I know. Well, it's going to come back on Monday and Tuesday, but at least the weekend is nice. That's what most of us at least really care about.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Brittany. Well, we're still